What's up guys, and today we have the unboxing of Night Ninja and Gekko Racing battle set. So we will get them out of the box and we'll move on. So here is Night Ninja with a dark blue and shiny blue mask and costume and a little black thing on his mask. So we go to take out his car. And here we have his car. So it's blue with some yellow lights, and it's pretty similar to a Polish car. So then we move on to Gekko. We can cut them out. And probably his neck. So here's Gekko. It has some light blue, light green, and pretty lightly green, and we figured out to take out his car. It's a little hard. So here we have his car. It's a pretty cool racing car. Now we can put the characters in the races. So here we have them ready for racing. It looks like they're gonna go super fast. So thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe. Bye.